Hey everyone, how are you? If you want to buy latest and the best gadget of this year, then you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the greatest gadget of this year. Today we are here with an interesting video. Now I will make video on top 5 professional drone of 2023. If you like the product and want to buy the products, you need to go through the link which is in the description. Product name: Potensic Mini Drone. The Potensic Mini Drone is a compact and feature-packed remote-controlled quadcopter designed for recreational use, including entertainment for kids and as a birthday gift. While the Lenovo Legion R9000P Sports gaming notebook computer laptop caters to the high-performance gaming crowd, the Potensic Mini Drone offers a different type of aerial entertainment. This mini drone from Potensic is ideal for beginners and children interested in exploring the world of drones. It comes equipped with a camera, allowing users to capture photos and videos from the skies. This feature adds an element of fun and creativity to flying the drone, making it a great choice for aspiring photographers or young aviation enthusiasts. The drone offers several interesting flight modes, including Follow Me and Circle Fly, which can provide unique and entertaining flying experiences. The Follow Me mode allows the drone to track and follow its operator, capturing dynamic footage of interest, creating visually stunning aerial shots. With its remote control, the Potensic Mini Drone is easy to operate, making it suitable for kids and beginners who are new to drone flying. Its compact size and lightweight design make it portable and convenient to transport to different locations. Product name: New KF106 Max Drone. The new KF106 Max Drone is a cutting-edge addition to the world of drones, offering a versatile and professional-grade aerial experience. With its impressive features, it is well suited for those looking to capture stunning aerial footage, explore remote locations, or simply enjoy recreational drone flying. One of the standout features of the KF106 Max drone is its camera system. Equipped with dual cameras capable of shooting in high-definition HD, this drone allows users to capture stunning photos and videos from the sky. The 10K resolution and 5G connectivity ensure high-quality, real-time streaming of aerial footage to a connected device, making it a valuable tool for photography and videography enthusiasts. The inclusion of a 3-axis brushless motor enhances stability and control during flight, allowing for smooth and precise movements. This feature: Max drone is foldable, making it highly portable and convenient to carry to different locations. The foldable design is ideal for adventurers, photographers, and videographers who need a drone that can be easily transported to capture breathtaking scenes. Furthermore, the drone boasts an impressive range with a 6 km control distance. This means you can explore vast areas and capture aerial views from a considerable distance away, giving you the freedom to take your creativity to new heights. Whether you're an aerial photography enthusiast, an adventure seeker, or someone looking to enjoy recreational drone flying, the new KF106 Max drone offers an enticing package of advanced features, high-quality cameras, and impressive range. It's designed to provide a professional-level drone experience, and its foldable design ensures that it can easily accompany. Product name: DJI Drone. The DJI Drone with camera 4K is a sophisticated piece of technology designed for enthusiasts and beginners alike who are interested in capturing stunning aerial footage and exploring the world of drones. In the context of the Lenovo Legion R9000P Sports gaming notebook computer laptops, which caters to the gaming and performance-driven audience, the DJI Drone offers a different but equally exciting experience. One notable feature of the DJI Drone is its 4K camera, which provides high-resolution video and photo capabilities. This makes it an excellent choice for those who want to capture breathtaking aerial shots, whether for personal enjoyment or more professional purposes, such as videography or photography. The drone's brushless motor ensures stable and reliable flight, contributing to smoother and more controlled footage. The inclusion of GPS technology is a significant advantage for beginners. This feature allows for easy navigation and positioning, reducing the risk of losing the drone. Additionally, the auto return home function ensures that the drone will automatically return to its takeoff point if it encounters signal loss or low battery, further enhancing its user-friendliness. Furthermore, the DJI Drone operates on a 5G HC transmission frequency, which provides a more stable and interference-free connection, resulting in better control and real-time video streaming. This is particularly important for those who want to view and record their drone's flight in high definition without Product 4 Product name S155 3-axis gimbal GPS drone. The S155 3-axis gimbal GPS drone is an advanced and feature-packed aerial device designed for both amateur and professional drone enthusiasts. This quadcopter boasts several key attributes that make it stand out in the world of drones. 1. 3-axis gimbal stabilization. One of the standout features of the S155 is its 3-axis gimbal stabilization system. This technology ensures that the onboard camera remains steady and captures ultra-smooth footage even in challenging flight conditions. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or shooting action-packed videos, the gimbal ensures your footage is stable and professional grade. 2. GPS navigation. Equipped with a GPS module, the S155 offers precise and reliable navigation capabilities. This not only aids in location tracking, but also enables functionality. GPS technology enhances the drone's overall stability, making it suitable for various applications, including aerial photography and videography. 3. 4K HD camera. The S155 is equipped with a high-definition 4K camera that allows users to capture stunning aerial imagery and videos. With 4K resolution, you can expect sharp and detailed shots, making it ideal for professional-grade content creation. The camera is also adjustable, providing flexibility in capturing different angles and perspectives. 4. Obstacle avoidance. Safety is a priority when flying drones, and the S155 addresses this concern with its obstacle avoidance system. This feature helps prevent collisions by detecting and avoiding obstacles in the drone's flight path, ensuring a safer and worry-free flying experience. 5. Long flight time. With a generous flight time of up to 40 minutes on a single battery charge, this extended endurance allows for more time in the air to capture stunning footage and explore the surroundings. 6. Brushless motors. The quadcopter is equipped with brushless motors, known for their efficiency and durability. These motors offer improved performance, reduced noise, and a longer lifespan compared to traditional brushed motors. 7. Remote control. The S155 comes with a remote control that provides intuitive and responsive piloting. It offers precise control over the drone's movements and camera settings, allowing users to capture the perfect shot or navigate challenging terrain effortlessly. In summary, the S155 3-axis gimbal GPS drone is a versatile and feature-rich quadcopter designed for professionals and hobbyists alike. With its advanced stabilization, high-resolution camera, GPS navigation, obstacle avoidance, long flight time, and reliable brushless motors, it offers a comprehensive exploration. Whether you're a drone enthusiast looking to capture stunning visuals or a professional seeking a reliable tool for your work, the S155 is a capable and impressive Product 5 Product name KF106 Max Drone. The 2023 KF106 Max Drone is an advanced and high-performance quadcopter designed to cater to the demands of both professional aerial photographers and drone enthusiasts. Building on the technological advancements mentioned in the previous paragraph, the KF106 Max drone offers an even more impressive set of features. 1. High-resolution dual cameras. A standout feature of the KF106 Max is its dual camera setup, capable of capturing stunning 10K resolution imagery. With dual cameras on board, users can capture different perspectives simultaneously, or switch between wide-angle and close-up shots. This high-resolution capability is particularly appealing to professional photographers and videographers looking for the utmost clarity in their content. 2. 5G Wi-Fi connectivity. The inclusion of 5G Wi-Fi connectivity enhances smoother, but also provides higher quality footage, making it an ideal choice for professionals who require immediate access to high-definition aerial visuals. 3. 3-axis gimbal stabilization. Similar to the S155, The KF-106 Max drone features a 3-axis gimbal stabilization system. This technology ensures that the dual cameras remain steady even during fast and agile flight maneuvers. The anti-shake feature further ensures that your captured footage is free from unwanted vibrations and jitters, resulting in cinema-quality aerial shots. 4. Brushless motors. The KF-106 Max drone is equipped with efficient and long-lasting brushless motors, enhancing its overall flight performance and reliability. These motors provide a quiet and powerful operation, making it suitable for both professional work and recreational flying. 5. Foldable design. The quadcopter features a foldable design, the drone conveniently in a backpack or case, making it an excellent choice for on-the-go photographers and adventurers. 6. Impressive range. The drone boasts an impressive operational range of up to 6 kilometers, offering users the ability to explore vast areas and capture aerial footage from long distances. This extended range is particularly useful for surveying landscapes, monitoring wildlife, or conducting aerial inspections. In conclusion, the 2023 KF-106 Max drone is a cutting-edge quadcopter that elevates the capabilities of aerial photography and videography to new heights. With its exceptional 10K dual-camera system, 5G Wi-Fi connectivity, advanced gimbal stabilization, brushless motors, foldable design, and extended operational range, it caters to the needs of both professionals and hobbyists who demand top-tier and explorers seeking to document your adventures. The KF-106 Max drone is a powerful and versatile tool.
Thanks for watching. Links are in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.